Hello friends, today we are comparing two keyboards. One is GT96S from Epomaker, another one is RT100 from Epomaker. GK96S has red switch, this has silent sea salt switch. So we'll see how loud and how silent these two are. I like RT100 the most now. This is my best keyboard right now. So no more talking, clacking with this keyboard, but I like this so much more. I think this is much more talkier than this 96. Let's test this. So this is me typing in RT100. This is me. Sorry. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it.